Giving Group Community is a nonprofit that is boots on the ground in Israel, that finds under-the-radar organizations, champion organizations, and makes it accessible to high net worth philanthropists from around the world, so they know when they invest philanthropic dollars, it's a good cause that's going to make a huge difference. The GGC model is very unique. We're philanthropic driven. All members donate to GGC an annual donation to operate, but we don't take anything from the organizations. One of the things Giving Group Community focuses is accountability. Accountability of the leadership of the organization, that the funds that were donated are directed and focused on what was promised to them.
GGC is so important for any philanthropist that really wants to not just make an impact, but understand the impact that they're making with nonprofits. What GGC has really enabled me to do is connect a lot deeper with the nonprofits, both to get to know them and to track the impact that they're making on a regular, recurring basis.
GGC helps me in the sense that I know that the product that is going to be presented has already gone through a very strong due diligence process.
GGC provides me confidence. It actually brings us a lot of tools in order to build our nonprofit organization correct.
It's not only a place where you get funds from or you get money from. You're trained to know how to do it yourself, and you get the help of a big brother, a professional one, that helps you to put your organization on two legs and stay stable.
It's this ongoing win-win situation where our relationship with the donors improve and develop over the years, also bringing in more partners and more donors to GGC. And 100% of the donations go to the nonprofits.
We become a partner to really help the organization scale the capacity, their best practices. We work very closely with them to teach them business-like-minded tools that excel these organizations to the next level to grow and become even stronger and better.
They care about our mission because they really want to change this world to be a better world.
The ultimate goal of GGC is to create a solution for all high net worth philanthropists on the world to make philanthropy easy and seamless. We want every philanthropist in the world to have a home in Israel and to adopt a few organizations where they know they're investing philanthropic dollars. It makes a big change in Israel and in the Jewish nation, and it feeds back also into their homes.